Assalamu alaikum, dear students, how are you? I hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to an EVS homeschool. And this is Mokter Hossain, Assistant Teacher, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am going to take an Islamic Studies class for the students of class 6. And our today's topic is Chapter 1, Creative Question 2, Discussion. So my dear students, let's see the board. Topic Chapter 1, Creative Question 2, Discussion. Lecture number 6, SW number also will be 6. And today's date. So dear students, let's start our today's topic. My dear students, before starting the class, I would like to say that in the last class, in the previous lecture, I have given you instruction how to write and how to understand the creative question, especially creative question number C and D, how to understand and how to write. So today we will discuss creative question number 2. At first, we will read the stem or passage. So let's start. Mahmuda and Shahida are very good friends. One day, in the context of discussion, Mahmuda said, "See Shahida, every day the sun rises following the same law, night resumes again at the end of the day. These do not have any exceptions. These are taking place due to the one's directions." Shahida replied, "Moreover, Allah sent prophets and Rasuls in different ages in order to preach religion, keeping mankind on the track of truth and righteousness, refraining people from unjust and indecent acts, etc." So according to the STEM, we have to understand 4 questions, and there are given 4 questions. Number A is, what is the meaning of akhirat? You will find the answer in page number 12. Number B, explain what is meant by morality. You will find the answer page number 12, 14. Number C, explain what issue has Mahmuda indicated on in context of a textbook. Number D, only believing in Mahmuda's words and exercising what Shahida said can ensure human welfare. Analyze the issue. My dear students, I repeat, question number C and D refers to your creativity. Number A and B, knowledge-based question and comprehension-based question. But C and D are related to your creativity. So you can take some sentence from the passage and you will show your creativity from the specific topic. Now we'll discuss about the answer. Question number A, answer. Question number A, what is the meaning of akhirat? And the answer is, akhirat means life hereafter or life after death. Number B, question is, explain what is meant by morality. That is the definition of morality and you have to explain. So the answer is, morality means practicing of principles, and principles mean rules or models. Morality means practicing all the rules with ethics. Completion of every task requires specific rules or principles. To have a model life, one must follow those principles. This is how morality can be practiced. My dear students, you can add more sentence or you can follow my answer. Number C, explain what issue has Mahmuda indicated on in context of your textbook. So question number C, the answer of C, Mahmuda has indicated about Tawheed. My dear students, Mahmuda's indication was related to Tawheed or oneness of Allah. So at first you will start writing like this: Mahmud has indicated about Tawheed, or Mahmud has indicated about the oneness of Allah. So Tawheed means monotheism. To believe that Allah is one and the only is known as Tawheed or monotheism. Allah is the only creator, sustainer, provider of livelihood, and owner of everything. Everything follows the orders of Allah. For example, the sun rises and sets following a specific rule. Mahmud has indicated on these aspects. While talking to a friend, that means Shahida, Mahmud mentioned how the sun was rising and setting every day following the same rule. She also mentioned that it was happening on only Almighty Allah's order. The mountains, the rivers, the oceans, the planets and the stars are all under His control. Allah has created everything for the benefit of humanity. From the above discussion, it can be said that Mahmud indicated to Tawheed. My dear students, here you can write Mahmud indicated to the oneness of Allah. It will be also correct. So question number C, starting and finishing topic will be same. Number D, only believing in Mahmud's words and exercising what Shahida said can ensure human welfare. Analyze the issue. So the answer is to believe in Tawheed mentioned by Mahmuda and by following the prophets and the Rasuls. Dear students, in replace of Rasuls, you can write the messengers. So to believe in Tawheed mentioned by Mahmuda and by following the prophets and the Rasuls can truly ensure human well-being, or you can write human welfare. Tawheed means monotheism. To believe that Allah is one and the only is known as belief in Tawheed. Tawheed is the key pillar of Islam and Iman. The prophets and messengers have invited people towards well-being. The person who believes in Tawheed and follows the path of Rasuls will be successful in the worldly life and life after death. In the stem, Mahmud indicated to Tawheed through the incident of sun rising and setting every day following the same rule. And Shahida talked about Risalat. Here, in replace of and, you can write, on the other hand, Shahida talked about Risalat. The prophets and messengers have invited people to abstain from committing injustice and indecency and follow the path of justice and honesty. That's why Allah has sent Rasuls or messengers in this world. Finally, I can say that believing in Tawheed and by following the path of prophets and Rasuls can ensure human welfare or well-being. So my dear students, I hope you have understood, especially question number C and D. You can follow my answer, or you can add more sentences. You can show your creativity. If you can show your creativity, you will get highest marks. But if you cannot write from your own view, you can follow my instruction or my answer. So my dear students, now SW. Your SW topic will be creative question number 2, A and C. That means you will write question number A and C. That's all for today. I hope you have understood today's topic properly. Keep practicing at your home. Abide by your parents. Stay safe and well. See you again inshallah. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.